Hey, this is Eve of BitcoinKindergarten.com, also the author of this amazing crypto assets and DeFi tracker in case you become a fanatic and you want to get a whole bunch of cryptos and keep track of them. I just want to come on live for anyone who wants to know what are all the most basic things in crypto. Like, I really would like to teach people who don't even know what it is. Hey, do you have any questions? Somebody's here. Hi, Eve. Yeah, you're here. You're live, by the way. Whatever you say is like everybody's hearing it. So, yeah?
Oh, even when I'm talking, you're hearing it?
Yeah, I'm calling you. I'm doing live. So if you have any questions, you can just ask directly because I know you only have a minute. We're just going to do a very short stream.
Okay.
So don't forget to smash the likes. I was telling her I made a whole bunch of money yesterday and a whole bunch the day before because we're in this amazing bull market. And all Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other coins are like skyrocketing. So would you like to know how to get some or?
Yeah, that's my route. Please, I would like, I've heard so much about it. I'm absolutely confused about how it works. And I promised myself this year I'll start making some, investment. So
see, the angels are hard at work here. So what would you like to know? Like the theory or where to get it or how much money to put in it or how does it work? Like, what's your first question?
What would you advise somebody that just starting out?
All right. Well, I already made one video, but I'm just going to make 100 videos. What I would do is do the same thing that I did, which is go on Coinbase. You're in Belgium. They have Coinbase in Europe. So for me, it just depends. I'm a very right-brain person. I don't like it too many charts and numbers. I get confused. So I love Coinbase because it's very simple. It's very easy to use. So I'm pretty sure it's the same in Europe. You have to just get the app. I have a link that I'm gonna put like right after in all of my other videos. I have the link to Coinbase, so that way I make $10 and you get like some free crypto too when you sign up. But you don't have to sign up with me. But you can either download the app on your phone, or Coinbase.com, and all you need to do is in most of Europe and America, it's called KYC. Like you have to, put your real credentials, your real address, and link a bank account or possibly only a debit card, possibly a credit card. In America, we have to give them like a real bank account. And
I already have that set up already.
Oh, you have Coinbase? Oh, okay, great. So
I have the account where I already said this is what I'm going to use to.
Oh, praise the Lord.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So great. So in crypto, as with any other investment, including, even land, I guess you could have a forest fire or something. The money that you put in your investments is potentially money that you could lose. However, Bitcoin has been going straight up on a very steady trajectory for 13 years. And if you follow crypto as I do, you'll know that Visa just made a deal saying that you're going to start to be able to use crypto with the Visa card. So now CashApp, you can do crypto. PayPal, you can do crypto. Elon Musk this week changed his Twitter handle to Bitcoin. So it's legit. I mean, banks, hedge funds, all the big corporations now are buying up the Bitcoin. That's why the price is getting so high. But it's still early. People think right now is like $38,000 for one Bitcoin. And people think that's so much, but it can easily be $100,000, by the end of the year, or even more, or, it might be less, but, things can go down. So that's the first thing is just, this is not financial advice, but, you just take any money that you could potentially lose. When I started, I didn't have any money, so I had nothing to lose. I didn't care. I was $20,000 in debt and owned nothing. So Yeah, you just go on Coinbase and you go to where it's called like portfolio. I'm going to show you on the video. You can rewatch the video later. The app is really simple. There's at the bottom, there's like different things, and one says portfolio, and yours would say euro. And so the very top one, and here in the US says US dollar. I'm sure there it says like European euro. And you hit deposit. And then either you use your bank account or your wire transfer, which is through your bank. It's a pain. You don't want to do that. Then you hit bank deposit. Then you put in a little bit of money. I don't have any money in the bank, so can't put any in right now. I already spent it all on crypto. And then you have it in your portfolio. So here's my portfolio. It says US dollar. USD coin, which is a crypto dollar maker. I don't have too much on Coinbase, but there's my portfolio of all the different cryptocurrencies that I own. So what you do is you look down and you go to where it says Bitcoin.
So wait.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah. Did I what?
So I was saying, do you have like a bunch, all of them at the same time?
Yeah, I have a lot of different ones in different places.
I thought it was just one account.
You know, I have a lot of accounts. There's a lot of exchanges. But this is the easiest, simplest place you want to start, because also, if you lose your password, they'll give you your password back. Also, it's insured. So until you know what you're doing, you don't want to just go put your money different places, right?
Okay.
So this is the first step. You put your, I'm just going to show you like how, I know it's very simple. Are you watching on the YouTube?
Yeah, I'm watching, but it's not synchronized 100%.
Okay. All right. So then you just go to where it says,
at both.
all right, where it says trade, you hit the trade button, and then you hit the buy button. It says buy, and then you put in how much you want to buy. Let's say that. Then you hit buy. And I always take screenshots whenever I buy stuff. I mean, it's never been wrong, but you know, why not? It's free to take a screenshot. Free to take a screenshot. And that's it. So what I tell people to do who are just starting is get some Bitcoin and get some Ethereum, because Ethereum is the number 2 coin, and it's very amazing. And both of these, especially Ethereum, but also Bitcoin, are poised to really skyrocket, especially Ethereum. And these coins are coins you don't have to worry about whether, you know, they're like the Amazon and the Tesla of crypto. So, you know, you buy these and you can just leave them sitting there. You're not going to worry about anything going wrong. And the most important thing is, if you've never traded before, there's a good book. It's called Turtle Trader. It might be boring for people who aren't nerds, but but it has like it's a 30-year-old book. It's like the trading Bible of this guy who started trend trading. But it gives a lot of good advice about the psychology, how, you know, you don't think of it as your money. You know, if you see it going down, you don't get like, oh, I'm losing money. Although we do get super elated when it's going. We get elated when it's going up.
You're willing to lose, basically.
Huh?
It has to be money. Like I said, I brought out, because I said I want to invest in shares or stocks or whatever. Now, I'll be worried if I'm going to lose that altogether.
Well, you're not going to. I mean, the chance is like 1 in a million. And you know me, I always know what the price of Bitcoin is in Ethereum. Like, if something did go wrong, I tell my close friends, like, if something did go wrong, like, I will let you know. But nothing has ever gone wrong in 13 years. That's why the corporations are putting all of their holdings, all of their cash money into Bitcoin, because the euro and the dollar are really losing value fast because of all the stimulus and the COVID and all that. So I mean, you have to just get peace in your heart about selling. The only people that lose money are people who get nervous when the price dips. Like I got my friend to get it. Oh, the price is dipping. You know, it's like, that's what Bitcoin does. The price dips. Like maybe some people sell off when it gets to like 42 again, if the price gets really high. Like even I'm going to sell some. So we sell some, price goes back low, and then everybody starts buying it up. Like, oh, look, the price dipped. Let's buy. And then eventually it will come back up. Last 2 years ago, I mean, it took quite a while to come up, but during that time we were buying.
Yeah, I remember that long.
Yeah, but guess what? The people who understood crypto, Bitcoin and its value, we were buying it at like $3,200 for, you know, so that what we were, when it dips, you just work extra hard and try to put a little extra money in it, because then when it goes back up. So what's 38 divided by 3? 10? 11? So it's 11 times.
12 and change, almost 13.
So $100 that you put in then is worth $1,000 now. So that's how, even if you just put a little here and there, the price of Bitcoin is always, the value is always going up so much that it's so worth it. Like all of a sudden, you know, it starts adding up. And how myself and other people decide when is the time to buy. We just do like dollar cost averaging, it's called. So if you don't want to put all your money in there today, don't. Just put, you know, a little tiny bit that you feel comfortable with.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking, because I'm hearing how much one Bitcoin costs, and I'm saying I don't have this 2,000 or whatever.
No. You don't need to buy a Bitcoin. You could buy $20 worth. You can buy 15 euros worth of Bitcoin.
Okay.
Yeah, you on CashApp you can buy $1. I've done it, you know, just to see if it works. And sometimes literally that's what I did. If I had an extra $10, you know, instead of just like blowing it on latte or some stupid thing, I just put it in buy a little crypto. So I didn't have like a steady income, so but you can actually set it up so that you buy a little each week or each month or whatever.
Yeah.
But I just buy when I have to.
Each month, basically, each month.
Yeah. So if you do that, and you can do like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the thing is, if the price shoots up a lot, what you can do is just take out, say if you put in $100 today, $100 Bitcoin, $100 Ethereum. Then what if in like 2 weeks it's worth like, instead of your $200 worth like $500. What I would do is at least take 50 or 100 or take that money back out. It's called taking profits. So at least take your profits. If it does dip, then you don't lose anything, you know? And then if it goes up, you gain more and more. What happens to a lot of us, this has even happened to me, like it's going up so much, you don't want to take it out because you're like, oh my God, look how much money I made today. I'm going to make that much money tomorrow, that much money the next day. But you have to take some out at one point, you know, even if you save it for if the price dips to buy more, you know. So nobody really knows the price. It could shoot up. The thing about crypto is that it's not like a stock. I mean, that's for one reason where you can make so much more money, but it's also more it's more volatile. It's not like a company. Nobody owns it. No, there's no marketing team, you know. So, you know, like it could be at a top now and we could go down. I mean, that is a possibility. Or it could double or triple. That's also a possibility. So you don't know, like, well, should I buy now because it's just going to keep going up? Or is it at the top? It's going to go back down? Like, we really don't know. So that's why it's good to just put a little, you know, when you have the money, unless it does get really low, and then I would put all my money in it. But it's not at a low right now. It's actually close to, you know, the top. So yeah, we don't know. If Elon Musk keeps tweeting about it, like the price can double, triple, quadruple, like, you know.
Yeah.
But it's still early.
Yeah, Yeah, no, I promised myself I'll do this. So, you know, when you're saving money for something to pay off for something, for instance, I finished paying off, I went on vacation and came back, and I said this year, all the money I used to pay off the debt, the loan, the school student loan, I'm going to have to use it and put it somewhere, because if not, you know, you just lose it.
Yeah.
I want the habit of how I spend my money to stay the same. So the money I was using to pay off my debts can just keep going to this.
Yeah.
So it has to be monthly. I don't have a bunch of, I just have like a couple, say about 2 or 3 months now, not too much.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do that. Anyways.
And then there's other coins. There's other coins that I know about, like there's smaller coins, which you could get more value on, but these are the safe coins. Everybody needs Bitcoin and Ethereum just for their financial future. It's like owning real estate. It's just something everybody really needs, you know.
Okay. All right. Fine.
Great.
Thank you very much.
All right. Okay, don't forget to smash the likes. Smash the likes and put any kind of comment in there, you know, just because good for the algorithm. All right. Have a great day. Take care. Ciao. All right. So you guys know how it goes now. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I will answer them in another stream. If you hit subscribe, bell button, like, and all, then whenever I come on, you'll get a little notification. And you can pop in, you can call in, you can write in the comments and ask any questions that you want. Take care.